Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a BMW E46 and we're going to show you how we're going to remove that A-column piece on BMW E46. Stay with us to see how to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for about 5 new videos every week. Okay, so what you need a little knife, and that inner piece right here, it needs to come off first. It has a few clips on it and you have to be very careful with the knife to pop it loose just a little bit at a time so you don't break it, because that piece usually is sun damaged and it's very fragile. Okay, right here, as you can see where the clips are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. And now right there we have 3 bolts that we need to remove, and this one is with T20 screwdriver head. So what you need to do is just need to take all 3 of them off. Okay, we're getting the last bolt out, and now what you need to do is you need to just gently grab it and pull it. It has a couple of clips, I think, and you need to be careful because here is the airbag as well. Okay, now you need to pull up to the front and up. Right here, that's the clip that I'm talking about. There is one on the bottom, and that's how you remove the A-column on the BMW E46. So thank you guys for watching us. If you have any questions, let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.